Old man strength. Old man strength.
Oh.
It's a neck brace.
Smart fitness. I'm used to fitness food in my mouth, but I'm about to do some fitness right now. This is kind of sick.
I'm gonna go with.
Whoa! Your coat was a little close to that package.
What is this? Wait, is this real?
Is that a Game Boy?
But it's a game box.
What?
Wait, you guys.
Okay, what games do they have on there, bro?
Thanks, guys.
I retract.
All right, let's see what we got. Bro, you're trolling. I didn't even think yours was cool.
Wait.
Bro, what kind of off-brand PSP is this? I'm happy with it.
What the?
Oh, yes, sir. We're going this big one right now. Yo, these are shoes, though. That's kind of hard. You seen the new Mischief boots right here? I think I won with this one, bro.
Damn, bro. Oh my gosh, they're soft. Hey, rug. Oh.
All right. Bro. Whoa, no way.
That's a fake reaction.
An LED smart fan light.
Oh, wait, what?
Temu.
Guys, please don't steal this from me, okay?
Oh, no, please.
I'm gonna go a different route. We're not gonna get a box. We're gonna do this little package. Oh, this is perfect for me. Unless you boys want it. A little makeup mirror with LED light.
That's not
Maybe no one's gonna steal this from me, but I'm happy with this one for now.
I'm liking this one. Right here. Damn. I got a little mini Wi-Fi camera.
Oh no, it's light. Could be good, it could be bad. We'll see. Oh, steal an item from any player.
Oh my god, no! You wanted these.
Jessica, you know what I want. You know what I'm here for. I'm gonna have to take that one. Bro,
Are you being serious
Pink
right now?
Pikachu, look at this. Thank you, Jessica.
Alright, they've had good luck with the big boxes, so I'm gonna go for this one, because I feel like the bigger one has the paper in it. Oh!
Whoa!
Cleans, exfoliates, and massages.
Wait, so you just literally go like
You
this?
stick it in the shower and then you clean your feet.
Okay.
I'm happy with this one.
I've learned the small boxes are the best.
Oh, that was satisfying.
Oh, whoa. It's a no BL.
What the hell?
What?
Damn, portable. I can take it with me.
Okay, bro, that's safe.